Welcome, biotech leaders and investors. You're tuned into the Drug Development Disco. This is a series that explores the vibrant intersection of science, commerce, and capital. I'm your host, Matt Krebs, and I have over 20 years' experience in helping biotech founders and the people that support them find the funding, the people, the knowledge they need to bring innovative drugs to market. I'm going to spend some time today talking about how to find partnership opportunities using BioCentury's analytics and the BioCentury BCIQ database to identify potential partners via therapeutic focus, deal history, modalities, things like that. So let's get started. Let me share my screen. I'm going to start us out in our analytics platform with an article that caught my attention. More importantly, it caught the attention of some of the investors and biotech leaders I'm working with. It happens to be in the PKU space, but this is just a sample. And we're going to be looking at the intersection of where our analysis meets our data and vice versa. So one of the things I've heard our clients to BioCentury, they like to dive in and see the journey a pipeline landscape has traveled over time. Now, what does that mean? That means they're able to look at a report like this, a PKU-focused therapeutic landscape or indication landscaping story, pipeline landscaping story. They're able to dive into the report, and let me scroll down and show you what I mean. So you can see who were the major players back in 2022 when this was first published. You can see the players by name, by product name, modality, and how far along they've progressed in the pipeline. With this in mind, you have a snapshot in time from 2022. Now you want to fast forward to, what have you done for me lately mentality. Jump to the database, and we can jump into a landscape of our own looking at PKU. Here I have it preloaded by disease, looking at the products in development over time, partnered and unpartnered assets. And I can see how things have progressed, who's developing what, who's partnered with who. Quick snapshot, very useful for the landscape, and then helping me identify those that are currently unpartnered that could have a potential interest in my discussion and outreach. And you can see what current phase they're in, what modalities they're in, helping you curate and dive in a bit more. One thing I've heard over and over again is I also want to broaden the scope and look at maybe historic deal flow that's not just PKU, but let's just take it at a therapy area level for companies that have maybe orphan drug status or rare pediatric disease drug status by regulatory designation tags. So that's something I've preloaded in here. And this will allow people to view and vet historic deals that may be more, trying to find a company that has an appetite for the asset I'm developing. So this is just a sample. We'd love to dive in deeper with you. So if you have your use case and you have something that you're working on that we could help you in this finding a partner and partnership opportunities, we're here for you. Come reach out to BioCentury and we will help you out. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.